The latest market downturn has wiped out $4 trillion from the S&P 500's value, marking a dramatic reversal from Wall Street's previous confidence in Trump's economic agenda. Major indices have tumbled 8%, reflecting mounting uncertainty among investors. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Rising concerns over tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China have intensified fears of an economic slowdown. Some believe the administration's trade policies could destabilize growth, while others view the market slide as a part of a broader strategic shift. A key factor in the sell-off appears to be the withdrawal of foreign investors, particularly from the US Treasury bonds. As China's trade surpluses shrink, its reduced reinvestment in American financial markets is tightening liquidity, amplifying volatility. Additionally, investors have offloaded shares in major tech giants including Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia, and Tesla. Another theory suggests that the administration is aiming to transition the economy away from consumer-driven expansion towards corporate-led growth. The policy measures such as tariff hikes and spending cuts are seen as attempts to control inflation and address the $34 trillion national debt. While this has led to a drop in Treasury yields from 4.8% to 4.25%, financial leaders caution that such moves could tip the economy into recession. The unpredictability surrounding economic policies has left businesses hesitant, slowing investment and hiring decisions. The global markets are already feeling the ripple effects. The European stocks have taken a hit, and Asian markets, including India's Dalal Street, are bracing for potential fallout. Continued foreign investor withdrawals could increase volatility, particularly in sectors like IT. The next few weeks will be pivotal in determining whether this is a temporary setback or the beginning of a more severe financial crisis. Let's look into today's headlines. Binny Bansal launches Optra in the cross-border e-commerce space. Binny Bansal, the co-founder of Flipkart, has launched a new venture, Optra, to help consumer brands scale in Asia. Optra is building a portfolio of franchising businesses which have expertise in local markets and taking them to different Asian countries. The move comes shortly after he sold his remaining stake in Flipkart, making a full exit. Bansal was looking to incubate a startup in the cross-border e-commerce space for some time. Google debuts new AI models for robotics. Alphabet Inc.'s Artificial Intelligence Lab is debuting two new models focused on robotics. The latest models will help developers train robots to respond to unfamiliar scenarios, which has been a long-standing challenge in the field. Google DeepMind will release Gemini Robotics, a new branch of its flagship AI model aimed at developing robotics that are more dexterous and interactive. Another model, Gemini Robotics ER, will help robot makers build new programs using Gemini's reasoning capabilities. Microsoft to replace Remote Desktop Connection app with Advanced Windows app. Starting from May 27th, Microsoft will discontinue support for its Remote Desktop app available through the Microsoft Store and replace it with a more advanced Windows app. Microsoft is currently recommending that users who have connected the app to Windows 365, Azure Virtual Desktop, or Microsoft DevBox transition to the new app for uninterrupted access. For those using the Remote Desktop Connection app to connect to remote desktops, Microsoft recommends continuing to use the same app until these services are fully available on the Windows app. The Competition Commission of India backs Apple in antitrust case. Apple has successfully blocked its opponents in India, Tinder-owned Match, and a group of startups from accessing its commercially sensitive information. A Competition Commission of India investigation last year found Apple exploiting its position in the market for app stores on its iOS operating system to the detriment of app developers, users, and other payment processors. Apple has, however, denied wrongdoing and said it is a small player in India where phones using Google's operating system are dominant. Intel appoints former board member Lip-Bu Tan as CEO. Intel has named former board member and chip industry veteran Lip-Bu Tan as its CEO, while signaling that the struggling chip maker was unlikely to split up its chip design and manufacturing operations. The appointment comes 3 months after Intel ousted CEO and company veteran Pat Gelsinger, whose costly and ambitious plan to turn the company around was losing investor confidence. Tan, a former Intel board member, has been seen as a strong CEO contender. May all the colors of the rainbow come together this Holi and bless your life with happiness and joy. Wish you a very happy Holi. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.